Okay, let's solve this problem. Three students take equivalent stress tests. Which is the highest relative score? To find the highest relative score, we're going to look at the z-score and determine whoever has the highest z-score to have the highest relative score. Z-scores are determined by using the equation. Z is equal to the value you're looking for minus the mean over the standard deviation. So let's do this to every single problem, and whoever z-scores the highest will get that will be the highest relative score. So we have 144 minus 128 over 34. This gives us 0.47. So again, we have 90, which is x, minus 86, which is the mean, over 18, and that gives us 0.22. And on the third one, we have the score of 18 minus 15 over 5. And our answer is 0.6. Since the last one, or 0.6, has the highest z-score, then that is the one with the highest relative score, and so C is our answer.